Welcome to the premiere episode of Cooking as Usual. Today we'll be making breaded chicken and seared potatoes. For the chicken, you'll be needing 2 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 4 chicken tenders, onion powder and garlic powder to taste, 1 cup of canola oil, and salt and pepper to taste. For the potatoes, you'll need 1 pound of baby potatoes, half teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, and salt and pepper to taste, as well as about 1 tablespoon of canola oil. So let's begin. First, we're going to crack the eggs and whisk them together with either a fork or a whisk. I chose a fork. Next, we're going to start breading the chicken. First, I like to use flour and drench them as best as you can. Next, we're going to transfer it over to the egg wash, and again, make sure that the chicken is covered as best as you possibly can. Then finally, we're going to transfer it over to the breadcrumbs, making sure that it's covered all the way through. Finally, we're going to shake off any excess you might have. Finally, I like to add a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder, as well as a little bit of Hungarian sweet paprika, just to bring out the taste. Next, we're going to move on to the potatoes. Make sure to wash your potatoes before you start working with them. I like to quarter my potatoes just so they sear a little bit quicker and more evenly. Transfer your quartered potatoes into a large bowl and add some canola oil. Next, we're going to add garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt, and the oregano. Next, we're going to shake the bowl for about 15 to 20 seconds to make sure all the potatoes are coated evenly with all the spices. Make sure you turn your oven up to 145 degrees before you start this process. First, we're going to transfer the potatoes onto a baking sheet and making sure that all the potatoes are evenly distributed. Then, we're going to just throw everything into the oven. Next, we're ready to start frying the chicken. If you don't know if your oil is hot enough, just throw a little bit of breadcrumbs into the oil. If it starts bubbling, you're set to go. Go ahead and transfer all of the chicken into the oil and start frying. The first side should take about 7 to 9 minutes, but if you're not sure, you can always check to make sure if the bottom of the chicken is golden brown. Once you're satisfied, go and turn them over and continue frying the chicken. After about 5 to 6 minutes, your chicken should be done. Make sure you transfer your chicken over to a plate that has some paper towels on it so the oil can drip off. After 20 to 22 minutes, your potatoes should be done. Finally, we're ready to start plating. Go ahead and put 2 pieces of chicken onto each plate, then evenly distribute the potatoes between the 2 plates. And there you have it, breaded chicken with seared potatoes. Thank you for watching, and as we like to say in my household, thank you, that was delicious.